Guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Ghost Freak from Ben 10 Omniverse. And, this is really funny saying this, but, I already did Ghost Freak. But, I'm going to draw a different version of Ghost Freak. It's the, one from Ben 10 Omniverse. They also showed one from Ultimate Alien. But, they wonder if Ghost Freak will ever return in the Ultimate Alien, but they did when Ben transformed into him when he was trying to escape the Ultimatrix. Okay.
Before I shut right down and shut the door for good. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed?
Okay, first of all, you must draw the chains here.
Life is in my head, so no need to pray. Cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, it's gonna be mine to claim. No one else gets to decide. Cause if you
Okay, there's the chain. There's the Omnitrix symbol on his chest.
Like my haunted screams, staring through the fog.
Okay,
I can finally see. I'll blow it all away like a blazer. Break the ice, break the ice now. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now.
There we go.
There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? I'll find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no need to pray. Cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. It's gonna be mine to claim. It's my right to be free, cause the future's only made for you and I. And the story will
There we go.
last
There's his arm.
forever, Lord.
So when drawing him, you must add the chain parts on his arms here, allowing him to become a Ghost Freak. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Monochromatic Mother Earth, too dark to see.
And done. That's how you draw a Ghost Freak.
In the atmosphere.
Pretty awesome, huh?
And never thought he'd follow common sense.
So,
That I've been
out of all the aliens, which version of the aliens do you prefer? Do you prefer the classic or new fashioned? Any kinds, it would be nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Bye!